Hey, 1029, you showing up around Colorado. You got everyone calling your name, 1029-808 in Colorado, jumping up and down. 1029-808 in the Mobile, 1029 Maui, 808. Back to you. All right, little man Chucky. I was trying to get it to 1029 as well, man. He's in Maui County. Have a good one, little man Chucky. And 1029 Maui County, 808 Colorado Springs. I'm back out. Bye, little man Chucky. Yeah, season's greetings your way. Have a good new year. Little man Chucky, 808. Back out. All right, Redbird, you showing up in Colorado? Redbird 808, back to you. All right, Redbird around Low Country, Virginia. Yeah, we're working about 7,000 feet over here in elevation. Have a good one, Redbird 808 with the snow on the mountains. Redbird 808 in the Rockies. Yeah, we're just standing by. We're just trying to catch 1029 in Maui County, but we're just standing by and listening. Yeah, right there, 1029, man. I had to wait for the right time, but I heard you between all the big boys. I'll see you at 1029 Maui County and everyone else. Have a good one, 1029 Maui County. 808 in the Rockies. I'm out. Aloha, 1029, Melikaliki Maka and Ashaka Wave, 1029 Maui County, 808 Mile High, 1029, 808 in the Rockies. I'm out.